Nina Perez, and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T in real time. This is PJ, your fitness concierge. He's guru of all things fitness, as you guys already know. I'm going to make sure to link all of his information below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that like, share away, and hit that little bell notification so you don't miss a video. Today it is beautiful. It's about 66 degrees. There's a little bit of a cool breeze, but once you start working out, that's going to feel like nothing.
It's so hot.
I know.
Take it off.
I ain't gonna take it off. Don't forget to pick up your journal. Very, very important. Make sure that you write everything that you are eating, but also what are your intentions for the day. I think sometimes when you set your mind straight in the beginning, you do much better than if you just kind of get up with a kind of a yucky attitude. So just set your mind right, you know, and be grateful for things in your life, because a lot of times we don't see the forest for the tree, right? So we are always looking at, like, you know, I think about Adam and Eve all the time and how God gave them like an entire garden. He said, just don't eat out of this one tree. And that's the one tree they picked. And that's why we're in the mess we're in today. And it just boggles the mind. But you know what? I realized that we all do that, right? So if something happens, we're like, oh, I can't believe this is happening. As we're driving in our cars with our $1,200 iPhones and our really good outfits and brand new sneakers, but we mad because something didn't go right.
Gotta look good. Gotta look good. No, you're absolutely right. No, you're right.
So I mean, it's the same thing with our health. Like, we take things for granted. I know I've been taking my health for granted, and I'm like, you know, I can't keep doing that anymore, and you shouldn't either, right, P?
Not at all. And it comes back to that whole thing. You got to do something every day. Do what motivates you, and, you know, put the excuses to the side.
Yeah.
Get a buddy and say, okay, let's do this. There's no wrong answer. Everybody is different, so different things. You're not going to like everything. Find something you like and just get out and move. Yeah. And listen, our holiday segment is going to be, you're going to be surprised. You're going to be like, wait, I can eat that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes, you can, several times. And then we put it all away. Yeah. Because, you know, if you don't give into that craving sometimes, and you don't plan it out, it turns into a complete binge, and then you're like, I'll see you all the first of the year. I'm not going to go back out and work and everything. And it's, your bodies aren't designed like that. Like, I think I'm going to have a calzone for dinner tonight. Yeah. Yes, something that is nice, doughy and cheesy. And I'm going to go ask the guys at Heights Pizza to make it for me.
You want a calzone.
You know what I'm saying? I'm going to dip it in some marinara and be like, ooh.
Oh, you are so wrong for everything you're saying right now. Whatever. Anyway, by the way, if you guys missed the video, I'm going to make sure I try to link it above, because I made the keto pumpkin pie, and it was actually really freaking good. Really freaking good.
I'll let y'all know.
Yeah. I'm telling you, it's really good. Another great video.
I am a pumpkin pie connoisseur. Pinkies up. Yeah, Rudy's saying like that. Listen,
right, yeah, it was good.
This is a refined pumpkin palate.
I got you. I'm telling you, I think I got you on this one. I think I do. I also took some pumpkin and I made a vegan keto Thai curry. It was slamming good. Slamming good.
Yeah.
You don't like curry?
I do.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, you got that face then.
No, I was just joking.
I actually got some really good recipes coming your way. I'm doing a lot of baking as well, just to try to show you guys how you can have all of this stuff and eat well. You know, everybody got jokes. Everybody got jokes. But you guys will be the end result of that, because I want you to try the recipes and let me know what you think. Comment below. Super important that you guys are active with me. You can also email me at hello@memoirsofafatgirl.live. I get back to them. There are a lot of great questions that come through there, so please go ahead and do that. Also visit our website at memoirsofafatgirl.live. I got so many shows and things going on. I mean, I got Straight Talk, No Sugar Added. I got a podcast. I got this. I got a lot of stuff going on.
There you go. How about we get this workout
going on? Yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, because we'll be back. thank you so much for watching. I don't know if you could see a lot of it because it's super dark out, but it was a great workout, and you kept us kind of close too.
Yep.
There wasn't any breaks. I think you maybe told us to drink water twice the
That's
whole
it.
time. But you know what? I felt like a lot of core stuff going on, and then he
Animal Kingdom.
He invented some Animal Kingdom stuff.
Bear
This
crawls.
fat girl has never heard of no damn Animal Kingdom
Inchworms.
stuff.
Come on. Catwalk, you know, all the...
The cat don't look like it struggles the way I was struggling.
You had a dead cat.
My husband's so awesome. He's like yelling at me, "You can do it, you can do it." My ass can't even get my knees off the ground. It's insane. I have a lot to still do.
You'll
to
get
still
there.
do. It's exciting though because at least I know I'm not gonna get bored. There's so much to do, right?
Absolutely.
I get very, very nervous still about myself. Like I get nervous that I have this fear that I'm gonna like fall off, you know? And I'm like, why do I have that?
Too many
I don't know how
people.
to overcome this stupid thing.
Well, you got too many people keeping eyes on you. And that's the beauty
Yeah.
of being in such a big group. It's like, okay, where are you at? What are you doing? What's happening? We're all
That's
on
true.
a chain together, so no hiding.
Well, that's why I started this channel, right? Because I wanted to be accountable to you guys. I know there's about, 200 or so people that do watch. So, you know, we're growing this community of health and we're going to keep going. This journey is a long journey, but it is a real journey. And at the end of all of this, I'm going to be able to help others. And that's the whole goal, right?
Absolutely.
The whole goal is for us to help others. Now, PJ is already there because he's an expert. So you can reach him at pjspj@me.com. And that's actually going to be linked below because that's his email. But he can help you with that kind of stuff. I, on the other hand, can guide you to him, but I can't help you with that, not just yet. But that is my goal.
You cook for them, right?
Yes, I do.
There you go.
Yeah, but I mean, for the exercise stuff, I'm not there yet. But I am actually recording this for you to see. It can be done. Even if you have 100 pounds to lose, it can be done. And even if you have more than 100 pounds, you come out here and you walk it.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? But just come. Stop making excuses. When are you going to change? 2021 cannot look like 2020, guys. It can't. It's just absolutely ridiculous that every year you're sitting on the couch watching these kind of shows, looking at this on YouTube, and you're still sitting there. Get off your ass and do something about it.
And we don't have any fancy lights or any
No,
trickery
that's why
behind the
it's dark
camera.
out here.
There's no magic bullet. There's no magic pill. No magic drink. You got to put in the work because you put in the work, putting on those pounds. That's okay. No judgment. And,
Yeah.
and we
Yeah,
really mean that.
absolutely.
No judgment zone. You come out. You do what you can do. Everybody is different. We all try to do the same things, and we have to modify everything for different people. That's okay. You come out and just do something that gets you moving.
And you know, another good tip is talk to yourself in the mirror as you're making all of these excuses that you're making. That's what I did. I realized that at the end of, oh, my knee, my back, my time, my blah, blah, blah. At the end of it, I'm like, oh my God, I sound so foolish. Like, how many excuses can I actually come up with? And I am the queen of rationalization. So I can rationalize all of it until I actually put myself face to face with myself and was like, what are you going to do about this? And then I had no choice. I called them and I said, how do you feel about a fat girl boot camp?
I told
he's
him
like,
we're
bet.
gonna be
I'm
at
like,
a
oh
long
shoot.
time.
He said, yes, too fast.
You know what else is a good thing to do? Take a picture of yourself,
Yeah.
front, back, and side.
Yeah.
Put on your undies or a bathing suit. Take a picture, and hang that picture where you will see it every single day. It's only for you. We don't need to see it. Nobody else needs to see it.
Right.
It's not meant to demoralize. It's meant as a reminder. Because when you start looking at yourself, wherever you open every single day, you're gonna be like, I'm not doing this anymore, and you'll change. Change will come.
Yeah, and addiction is a very hard thing to overcome.
It
Food
is.
addiction, I have a sugar addiction. These things are really tough, and you start to rationalize how you can have a little sugar here and there and what you can do, and before you know it, you're right back to where you started. And working out this hard to then still be in the same place because you're still eating crap is just not worth it.
Somebody
So-
said it tonight. Michelle said it tonight. It wasn't wasn't worth. She was stressed and she wanted to go buy a whole thing of ice cream. And I said, "What stopped you?" She's like, "It's not worth it, because what that one thing of ice cream will do, it'll in the moment it'll be good on my lips, but then," she said, "I'll hate myself for doing that."
Another great conversation we had, and we'll close with this, was the fact that I used to eat things sneaking, because if somebody doesn't see me, then I won't feel bad.
That blows my. That's like a little kid,
Yeah.
like, "Get over here! You can't see me.
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
no, no! You can't see me."
Well, if my husband doesn't see me or my kids don't see me, then I kind of get away with it. But I don't, because my body's still the same body. It's not gonna excuse me for not being seen. But that is actually a fat girl problem.
That's wild.
Isn't that wild?
That is wild.
But I was glad to hear somebody else say it, because I'm like, yes. It's
Okay.
exactly how I feel sometimes. I don't do that much anymore. And I say much because I'll sneak a piece of chocolate.
That's fine.
And then I'm like, okay, well, first of all, the piece of chocolate is not the problem. Why did I sneak it?
Right.
That's the
and
problem.
that's the whole thing.
Yeah.
Like, stop sneaking food.
Yeah.
Who are you sneaking it from? We're grown people. Like, if you want a piece of
Yeah.
chocolate, you can eat a piece of chocolate.
Yeah,
Just don't eat the whole bar.
yeah.
If you cannot stop at one little piece, don't eat the one little piece.
Yeah.
And
That's true.
You'll train yourself, and your palate will train and change, and you'll be able to eat that one piece. But if you're not there yet, walk away.
Yeah, I'm not there yet. I bought my husband a chocolate bar that I know that he would like. I almost ate half before he got to it. And then I'm like, "Babe, here's your chocolate. Here, take it." Take it. I had to give it to him. Otherwise, I literally would have passed by every time I swept the floor. Piece. Every time I mop. Piece. Every time I wash the dishes. Piece. And before I knew it, half the bar was gone.
Okay. We still have work. Rome was not built in a day.